Hi guys, good afternoon. So I'm so excited to see everyone here, that you are all here. So you are all second graders, and I think I'm excited to meet each and everyone. By the way, I am Dennis and I will be teaching you about coding today. By the way, who is Dennis? Okay, I am a teacher for 20 years here in the Philippines, and I have been teaching ICT for small kids, actually from preschool to grade 6, and I was able to teach high school and even college students along because I've been a teacher for a long time already, and I am happy to teach kids about computer because most of the kids, when they look at the computer, they think of it as a toy. And of course, we play a lot in our mobile devices and we play a lot in our computers. But you know, guys, there is something that we should know about computers so that we could not look at it just like a big toy, okay, or an expensive toy, but we are going to look at it as something that is productive. That's why we are here. And I know your parents allowed you to be here because they want you to learn something and not to be unproductive with your devices. They wanted you to learn something that would really make you a better person while learning computers. And that's my focus. My goal is that when I teach my children, or when I teach young kids like you, they will become problem solvers. And that's my focus and that's my goal in life. And so I hope that you are all here. And by the way, I'm just a big kid like you. Okay, I never grew up because I still love playing, I still love anime, I still love watching television. But okay, there's a bit difference. Okay, I have learned how to code, and I want you to learn those skills. Now, let's move on. Are you okay? Are you ready now? Okay, since everybody's ready, I'm glad that you're all ready. And here we go. I have mentioned earlier that I will teach coding. So in the Philippines, when you say coding, the it's it's actually involves the traffic. Okay, that's why that there are vehicular reduction. That's what they call number coding or color coding. But then in coding, the coding here, it's not that one. Okay, let me give you an example. If I am from a different country and you would want to talk to me, for example, I am from Africa and I speak a different language. Okay, so, and you wanted to talk to me, and then you are telling me, and you are using your vernacular language, or perhaps you are using your English, but the problem is I don't know English. And if you just ask me, hey, what's your name? I'll just say, oh, because I don't understand. So you will be asking me a lot of things, and then you'll be asking me to do something, and then you ask, perhaps you'll be asking me, okay, buy me some candy. And then when I come back and I brought you a bread instead of a candy. So because I did not understand, if you ask me, okay, then I sit down and I don't understand because it's in English and I don't understand English. So that's also there is problem there. And then the problem is communication, and you could not tell me what you want, and I could not tell you what I want, because both of us, even if I speak and I don't speak your language too, if I'll speak my own language, you will not be able to understand it at all. Okay, now it's the same with machines or computers, because these machines and computers, they don't know how to understand the natural language that we speak. They only understand machine language. But I can speak machine language. Do you want me to hear? Do you want to hear me? Do you want me? Do you want me to speak the machine language? Okay, it's like this. Ready? Ready, ready. It's like 00111000110001111100001111111. You get it, guys? You understand? No, because zeros and one is the machine language, and that means on and off. Computers are understand only on and off, because in the computer there are a lot of switches that on and off. So in order for us, for the computer to understand us, so that they would know what switch are we turning on and what we are turning off, we need to use a programming language. And in a programming language, there is what we call codes. So just like codes, no, you will be for example, if I snap 3 times, so I'm giving you a code, and when I snap 3 times, you guys would have to jump. Okay? Oh, you second graders would have to jump. If I snap 3 times, then you jump. Then I have given you a code. You understand that now. Now, if I clap, everybody have to see. Okay, if I snap 3 times, okay, good, you jump. And if I clap, you take a seat. So that's code, because there is something that we could understand. Now, in order for us to command the computer what to do, we need to set codes. Okay, this is now called coding. So we really need to understand how to use this code so that we can command the computer what to do and how to do it. That is coding. So they will be able to understand you, and they will be able to do what you are trying, what you are asking them to do. So there are several programming languages, but in every languages that you will be able to study, there are different set of codes. But here in Scratch, we are going to use the block codes. Okay, the block coding. And using that, it is almost English, but we need to understand different kinds of blocks, and that is what we're going to use here. And those blocks are the codes, or it is the language that the computers will be able to understand, so that when you tell them go, they will execute what you are trying to tell them to do. Is that good? Is that good? Are you excited about this? Do you want to learn coding, huh? Everybody? Okay, so we are going to study coding today. So guys, that's it. We have studied coding today, and you know, these are the things that we really need to understand. There are different sets of codes, and each of them will tell the computer what to do. There are different kinds of events. There are different kinds of actions or motions, or if you want the computer to sound off or play something, maybe music, or if you want them to do something else, and then if you want them to do this, and then they can do it, and then this way. Those are different kinds of controls and variables. We need to study all of it, and we will be naming a lot of things when it comes to variables. But then guys, that is coding, and that is not really hard at all. All we have to do is to keep on practicing how to use this code, and it means you will always be creating your own apps or your small applications in the computer. If we keep on doing that, then we will be able to understand and be able to execute everything that this coding languages is trying to tell us. Okay, you will be learning a lot of this as we go on. Now, to the parents, may I suggest, if things are getting so hard, and then you can tell your kids that, okay, they could ask me, sir, could you please slow down so that I will be able to understand what you're trying to say. And then, okay, if you want me to go back, sir, I missed this part, you can always tell me. Okay, mummies, okay, don't be shy. And then I'm not a hard person. I want my kids or my students to really learn. um okay, if I've been so fast, and then you can always send me a message, or you can ask your you can even interrupt me sometimes. Okay, if you're trying to say, I want my kids to really learn this. Okay, you have been so fast here, and then there's some gray shades or things that are not easily understandable this part, so could you please repeat this, and then try to do it step by step. Okay. Okay, I will always be go down. I will always be going down to the level of the understanding of these little children, of your kids. Okay, so uh, let me know where I'm at fault, or let me know where I have not explained that much, so that I will be able to help you. I wanted your kids to really learn this. Okay, so let's just let's let me help you in that way. Okay, let communicate always, and tell me what do I need to improve in, where do I need to be to improve myself. So especially when communicating with your kid, so it's okay with me. You can always tell me, okay, slow down, sir, and explain this, or let me reach down to your kid. So, oh, our counselor is here, and counselors are the persons who are in charge with all the programs and all the things that you really need to know. And then our counselor is here with us right now, and it's she's inside our classroom. And well, hi kids, would you try to say hi to her? Oh, say hello. Okay, okay. Okay, hello, counselor. Hello, counselor. Thank you. That's good. So this time she might be here with us, and some important things will be shared right now, and then she will give you all the details. And please, as you have listened to me, I want you to listen to our counselor. Is that okay? Okay, very good. Thank you, counselor. The class is yours.